Welcome back to Car Review, where we bring you in-depth looks at the most iconic and luxurious machines on the road. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom, the epitome of automotive excellence, timeless craftsmanship, and cutting-edge engineering. The 2025 Phantom doesn't just continue the legacy of Rolls-Royce, it elevates it. At first glance, the exterior styling is unmistakably Phantom. The design is evolutionary rather than revolutionary, keeping the iconic proportions, the long bonnet, and the signature Pantheon grille. What's different for 2025 is the refined detailing. The grille now features subtle illumination, adding an ethereal glow at night. The laser-cut headlights offer an intricate starburst design within, giving it a jewel-like appearance that commands attention, even at a standstill. The profile remains sleek and commanding, with the classic rear hinged coach doors that open like a theater curtain, a dramatic entrance every single time. You also get an expanded color palette this year, with some truly mesmerizing bespoke options. The level of customization Rolls-Royce offers is beyond compare. If you can imagine it, they'll paint it. Now let's step inside, where the true magic happens. The 2025 Phantom interior is more luxurious than ever, blending traditional craftsmanship with modern technology in the most seamless way possible. Every surface is a showcase of hand-stitched leather, open-pore wood veneers, and bespoke embroidery. You don't just sit in a Phantom, you experience it. The Starlight headliner returns, now with dynamic animations, allowing you to create your own constellations or even mimic the night sky on a specific date. The dashboard features the gallery, a customizable glass panel behind which artwork, rare materials, or even personalized designs can be installed. Rear passengers enjoy first-class airline-style seating, with full reclining options, massage functions, and entertainment screens. The cabin is almost completely silent, thanks to over 130 kilograms of sound insulation, double laminated glass, and special foam-layered tires. It's been called the quietest car in the world, and for good reason. Under the hood, the Phantom continues to use the tried-and-true 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, producing 563 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque. It's not about raw speed, although it can do 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 5 seconds, it's about effortless motion. The ride is unbelievably smooth, thanks to the Magic Carpet Ride suspension system, which scans the road ahead and pre-adjusts for any imperfections. Whether you're driving or being driven, the Phantom glides like no other car on the market. As for tech, the 2025 model comes equipped with the latest version of Rolls-Royce's infotainment system, including an ultra-responsive touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a high-resolution heads-up display. Driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, night vision, and 360-degree cameras are all integrated seamlessly, subtle, yet always working in the background. Now let's talk price. The base 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom starts at around $495,000 USD. But let's be honest, most buyers will personalize theirs extensively. With bespoke options, it's easy to cross the $600,000 mark, and for truly one-of-a-kind builds, even $1 million is possible. So, is the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom worth it? If you're looking for unmatched luxury, bespoke craftsmanship, and a presence that simply cannot be ignored, then absolutely. The Phantom isn't just a car, it's a statement. Thanks for watching Car Review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss another look at the world's finest cars. See you in the next one.